Hi guys, my name is Monica and I'm learning data analysis and improving my data analysis skills using PromptBI. I've already uploaded my datasets. My dataset is a dataset for a certain company, and the company has a KPI of customer satisfaction scores. They are really important to them. So I'm just going to click on the suggested prompts here and we'll start watching. So let's start. Okay, so the question is, how does the average customer satisfaction score vary across different customer types within each region, visualized by a bar chart? So PromptBI right now is giving you a thought process. So if you're a beginner, you can look at the thought process and see what is being done. Example here, it will examine the data sets. Okay, so we have the challenge. The challenge is calculating the average customer satisfaction by customer type and region. So you click on start the challenge and you look at the entire code. On the left panel, you'll be able to see a problem and the thought process just for remembrance. So the problem is the first problem. Look at the entire code, remember? The first problem is select only the needed columns for analysis. Let's data frame is equals to data frame. Region X. This is what in the problem. And we have customer underscore type. And we have the customer satisfaction. The good thing about PromptBI, as you can see, is that when they are telling you the problem, they tell you the columns that you're supposed to select. That helps you think. I think that's it. So that's that. The second challenge, you're supposed to group the data by region, customer type, and calculate the mean satisfaction. Okay. Before you group, you're supposed to look at the code below, because the code below will help you know the name of the group. Okay. So let me just write it as I look for the name. I don't have my eyes, my other eyes. Region underscore X and customer underscore time. And you calculate the mean customer satisfaction. So here I make a mistake here. You don't really need to be in a hurry to solve. Just take your time. Nasikia kutopresha juu kwa kamera. Otherwise, I will do this. It's cold. Don't. Meal. Okay, now let's look for the meal. So, I think the name was groups because these groups don't unstack. Groups is equals to. Always think through your solution and look at your spelling mistakes. Satisfaction and satisfaction. I think that's done. Okay, I've not explained what I've done, but I have submitted. Done. Okay, after you've done, you will get your KPIs. That is the total average score. And you'll get insights. Example, here we have data analysis. That is the average customer satisfaction score by customer type within each region. So the key insights were to understand how customer satisfaction varies by customer type and region. It is vital for tailoring our service efforts and improving the overall experience. Okay, so the top performing segment is household customers in Enugu, led with an impressive average score of 86.0. That means people in Enugu have better customer satisfaction score. And through this and the insights generated, as a company, you're able to make better decisions. Yeah. I'll show you how to pin a dashboard then. Yeah. So let's call this customer. So you create and it's creating, but I hope you've learned something new today. Use PromptBI to improve your skills. Yeah. Okay, so we can check the data dashboard that is. Yeah. You're able to add a description for the datasets. By the PromptBI provides a section where you are able to get 360 dashboards. That is to have dashboards that show you the entire anything about a company. So that helps companies in general. But you can look at this, and once you click here, it will take you back to the insights generated. You can read through and present. And if you're a student, you can practice all your presentation skills and how you do it. Yeah. I think I'm done. Bye bye, guys.